Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla, and this is my boyfriend, Noah. He doesn't have a sign name. I never gave it to him. Sorry. But today we're going to do hearing person tries hearing aids. So as you guys know, I am moderate to severe hearing loss, and I've been for my whole life, and I wear hearing aids. Yay!
Woo!
And so now he's going to be trying them on. One of my hearing aids, I know I get a lot of comments about it that I need to go to an audiologist to fix it because I don't know if you can see it, but half of it is broken off and it's actually pretty painful in your ear. But I got these when I was 17. So I was...
These ones?
Yeah, these are five years old, and usually you're supposed to replace them every 4 to 5 years. So these were really like fancy when I got them. They're like $5,000 each, and now they're outdated. No one wears them anymore. But these are the Safari Oticon ones. Actually, are they the Safari ones? Okay, no, they're the Sensei Pro. I had the Safari when I was younger. Okay, so what you first do, the batteries are already in it. Batteries last around 10 days, and they're really expensive. So we're gonna put it in. Well, first if you're a hearing aid wearer, you know it sings like a little song to you. So I kind of want to see, let's hear first what it would be like. Okay.
Ow.
Sorry.
Ow.
Okay, I also have really small ears.
It's like a lullaby.
Okay. All right, show it off to the people. How are you looking?
My hair's a little... Whoa, this is weird.
Does it feel weird?
Yeah, it feels like...
Amplified?
Yeah. That's dope.
Is it loud?
It's loud, but it's weird because when I talk, it's like playing back in my ear.
Yeah. I get really annoyed about hearing my hair. Especially with girls, your hair is all in your face. So it's like...
Oh, yeah.
Or when people whisper.
That hurts. It is a bit weird.
It's weird.
It's
Those
like...
sounds are weird.
It's like super high pitched, I guess. Like a very, like intensified. I don't even know. I feel like I'm on like a podcast almost.
Do you feel like this is what hearing aids would feel like, or no?
Like, was I expecting this?
Yeah. What were you expecting? Like for my hearing aids, I know it's very different. I don't have them hooked up to Bluetooth or anything, but my hearing aids have a button in the back. Here, I'm gonna take this one out. Sorry, it's gonna hurt. Mine have a button in the back. I'm still wearing one of them, and I put it up or I put it down, and it's equal to each other, so I can't do one up, one down. So you can play with the adjustments
Test.
of how loud you want, how loud you don't want.
I mean, I don't know how I could ever get used to.
That weird.
Yeah, the biggest thing is like it's like echoing in my. I feel like it's echoing.
Right?
And
I feel like your brain's overstimulated.
Yeah, I feel like I can't talk because it's like I keep thinking about my voice and I'm not thinking about what I'm saying.
That's why okay, so for other people to ask why I don't wear my hearing aids, they're just honestly like you think about it too much. The noises are super weird and I just don't like it. How do you feel about like wearing them in general and what people would think about them? Do you feel like they're clunky, or do you feel like people would stare at you?
I don't feel like they're clunky. I feel like, especially now that like a lot of people are wearing like AirPods and stuff, I feel like it's normal to see people with something in their ear. Like I wouldn't be worried about like people or like looks or anything. I think it's definitely like I don't know, but that's just my opinion. Like I wouldn't be weird about it, but
I hope not. He's dating someone who's
Well, no, I'm not like someone that's wearing them, but like if I had to wear them, like I wouldn't feel like self-conscious about
So
it.
how do you feel now that you aren't wearing them? Isn't there a huge difference?
Yeah, I mean, it's like
crazy.
I feel like more. I don't know. Like well, obviously it's normal, but with that, I just kept wanting to snap because it was such a distinct, like weird, kind of different sound. So.
Yeah. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment down below what you think his sign name should be. I have a couple in mind, but I also know that you have to know the person to create one. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. See you guys
Bye.
next time.